Every AI coding tool out there wants to charge you a monthly subscription. Some want $10, some want $20. And honestly, most of them aren't even worth a free trial. But I just found one that's completely, totally free. Not a trial, not a crippled demo, the real deal. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to set it up in under 3 minutes, and how to start coding at the speed of thought without paying a single cent. Let's get into it. The tool we're looking at today is Kimchi. It's a terminal-based AI coding agent. And one of the most interesting things about it is that it gives you access to several models completely free. That includes models like Kimi, Minimax, Nemotron, and a few others, all available at zero cost. It works on both Windows and macOS. The first thing you need to do is open the GitHub page for Kimchi. You can find the link in the description, or simply search for Kimchi GitHub in your browser.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So this is the kimchi.dev website, and this is the homepage. Here you can see works with open code cloud cursor, and this is the homepage of kimchi.dev, which is almost completely free. You don't need to add your payment detail or anything. You can simply click on this start, and this is the official GitHub page. Here you can see, and this is my account. Here you can see I had still $47.69 monthly free credit, and I used almost 2.30 cent to create this project in a single ChatGPT prompt. This is the portfolio website of a lawyer website. Here you can see trusted legal solution backed by 5 years of experience. This is a dummy portfolio website prompt, and the one-time created prompt and one-time created website. I have to give more suggestion to make it more useful, and this website is created by Kimchi in a completely free, without credit card or without anything. And still in my account I had 47.69 credit. Here you can see active model 3 cost 2.31 cent and token 4.1 million, request 170. Here you can see today June 25. So let's start the video completely. If you want to Kimi 2.7, so here you can see how to use Kimi 2.7 in a VS Code completely free. Please visit my YouTube channel homepage to watch that video. Here you can see the model Kimi K2.7. So please watch that video. You can use Kimi in a completely free. Now let's close this. We don't want this. Simply go to this website kimchi.dev. I will give this website link in this video description and in comment box also. Simply click on this start free and sign up your account with Gmail, Hixfield or anything, or GitHub. After that, again you need to go to this home page. Here you can see for Windows and click on this C setup instruction, and this is the quick start. So in a first, here you can see install on Mac OS and Linux, but if you have Windows, then you need to follow this step. Don't worry, I will follow and execute one by one step. Here you can see in a first step we need to open our PowerShell and paste this. So simply copy this in a search Windows PowerShell or simply PO, then click on this open, then click on this and paste, then enter. Simply allow this, click on this yes. It takes time, depends upon your internet speed. Here you can see 9% done. So let's fast forward this video. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Now here you can see the process is completed, and here you can see changes will not be effective until the system is reboot. Now we need to reboot our system, so simply paste this command, or you can reboot by simply here is a but you will find the button. Simply click on this and restart your computer, and or you can simply do it by command also. So I will do the shutdown, then I will continue another process. Now again restart your computer, and again you need to go to this PowerShell and open. Then here you can see restart PowerShell when prompt, then open WSL. Now let's copy this, go to PowerShell and paste here. And you can see the completed. Now again update your package, copy this and paste. Here you can see sudo authenticate password, so choose password. Now waiting for download, and downloaded. Now here you can see we need another command, then install kimchi. Simply copy this, again go to here and paste. Here you can see installing kimchi from and downloading kimchi for Linux. Just you need to follow this step. These are the steps. And for the confusion, you can suggest by here you can see I use ChatGPT how to reopen kimchi in a second time. So you can also use ChatGPT. Here you can see downloaded, run kimchi and follow the configure your API key and migrate your skill and MCP. Now we need to simply start now. So type here kimchi, then press enter. Here you can see kimchi is opened. Now we need to use kimchi API key. This is the most important step. Choose this, use kimchi API key, press enter, and here you can see kimchi API key. Now let's go to kimchi website, sign in your account. I hope you had already created an account. Sign in your account, then here you can see simply click on this account and API key. Then here you can see I created two API key already. Create API key, then simply give one name for your API key, then click on this create button. Here you can see API key created. Now this is my API key, and copy this key. Now you won't be able to see it again, so let's copy this, then go to PowerShell and paste here, then press enter. Here you can see kimchi endpoint. Simply press enter, you don't need to type anything. And here you can see ask, simply press enter, and here you can see what would you like to. Let's type hi, ask anything or type on your command. In a first time it take more than 10 to 20 seconds, so don't worry about that. And here you can see we are using Minimax M3. Here you can see its response in 9.2 seconds. And now in a second command it only takes 4.7 seconds. So you can use and build anything by this kimchi. And I already created a website by this kimchi. You can also switch model. If you want to switch model, simply type slash, and here you can see model, press enter, and here you can see Minimax, Kimi, Nemotron, DeepSeek, and GLM. So you can use any of these model, DeepSeek, Kimi, or simply select DeepSeek. Here you can see our default model is DeepSeek. And here you can see our answer. I'm running on DeepSeek V4 Flash. So by this way you can use Kimchi and DeepSeek model or Minimax or Kimi, any model, in a completely free without credit card or without anything. Let me show you my stats analytics for this API key. Here you can see usage limit, you can see, and my total credit is still $47.63. I already created one website. So if you find this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.